Hi everyone, it's Dave here from Oz Drug Test. Just excited to show you guys our new 16-panel drug test, urine drug test. It detects the drugs in the Australian standard 4308 plus an extra 10 as well. Just here to show you the correct procedure and just outline a few of the drugs that the extra drugs that we have in here as well. So what you need to do is I'll firstly wear gloves. You don't want to get any urine on your hands. That'll be fun. Firstly, just check the expiration date. Make sure it's within limits, and it looks like that one is. So you just open it here, right there. So you just open it from there. I'm not going to do that one. Here's this one I prepared earlier. So here's the drugs that it detects. I'll just run through them really quickly. Now, first one is fentanyl. Now that's it's a fairly frightening drug that's actually 15 times stronger than heroin. Also in the opioid family. It's had a huge impact in North America, but it's making its way down under. So LSD, everyone should know what LSD is, also known as acid, hugely popular in the 60s and 70s. Wish I was born in that era. Sounds fun. But it's still been around since then. THC, marijuana, everyone knows what marijuana is. Buprenorphine, taken for the replacement of a heroin or methadone addiction. TCA, tricyclic antidepressants. TCAs are largely prescribed for depressive disorders and somewhat replaced lately by newer antidepressants called selective serotonin or reuptake inhibitors. Barbiturates. This is a sedative that was most popular in the 70s again for the treatment of anxiety, insomnia and seizures. Not so popular anymore as benzodiazepines are classed as a safer drug. Benzodiazepines. Like Valium, diazepam, oxapam, used to treat anxiety and panic disorders. Methadone, like buprenorphine, it's prescription drug, part of the opioid family, but not morphine-based, more of a synthetic opioid, and used to get people off heroin as well. Amphetamine, like speed, dexamphetamine, and methamphetamine will probably trigger this strip as well. Opiates, this is a morphine-based strip. Will detect opium, codeine, morphine, and heroin. The next one, oxycodone. This is a little bit of a stronger painkiller than morphine. Sold under the brand names Endone and OxyContin. It's part of the opioid family again, but is fully synthetic once again. MDMA, known as ecstasy, a hugely popular drug in Australia, especially lately for the rise of the MDMA caps that we've been hearing about. Cocaine, everyone knows cocaine. It's been around for donkeys. PCP, phencyclidine, also known as angel dust, popularized in the 70s again. It's still around. It still gets mixed with joints and stuff, and is a hallucinogen. And methamphetamine, crystal meth, ice, all that bad stuff. And also we have alcohol here. You can use this color chart to see if there's any alcohol on there. Just this little color strip right here. You just have a look and see what color is best. So looks like it's 0 to me. If it turns green at all, there you go. Just have a look at the corresponding color chart there, and also the 6 adulterants. There we go. There you just match the color up with the color chart there. We got oxidants, specific gravity, pH levels, nitrates, glutaraldehyde, and creatinine. And that's about it. And as you can see, 2 lines in the test line and the control lines all along there. Of course, if it was it all looks like it's all negative, but if it was positive, there'd be 1 line in the control region and no line at all in the test line down the bottom. Any line at all, no matter how faint, is still considered a line and must be considered negative. So there you go. Any questions, please feel free to contact me at dave@ozdrugtests.com.au. Thank you very much.